Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to build this awesome DIY mountain shelf. Let's go. The first step is to set your cutting angle to 30 degrees. I used 1x6 boards for this project and my miter saw to make all of these cuts, but you could easily complete all of these cuts with a table saw as well. Just make sure to pay attention to the direction of the angle of each board and mark the dimensions after the cut. I'll include a link to the cut list and SketchUp file for this project so it'll be easier to follow along. Once all of the boards were cut, I just laid them out on my workbench in the order they are supposed to go. I use Type Bond 3 wood glue for most of my projects as I like the working time and hold it offers once fully dried. I just started with the large outer triangles first. I applied wood glue to each joint, spread it out evenly, and nailed into place with my 18 gauge brad nailer. I'll include a link to these corner clamps from Amazon as well. There are some places where you won't be able to reach with your brad nailer, but don't worry, we'll flip this piece over once all the pieces are together to secure the other side of the boards together. Once the large outer pieces were put together, I started on the inner shelving and then worked my way up to the smaller triangles that rest on top of the larger triangles. Once all the pieces were put together, I just went over the project and hammered in any nails that weren't fully in place. For that, I went over the whole project with my orbital sander and 120 grit sandpaper, and then finished off any places I couldn't reach with a sanding block. Once everything was nice and smooth, I vacuumed up any sawdust in preparation for finishing. I love Varathane stains, and I used a Varathane Golden Oak wood stain on this project. Simply stir, apply with a foam brush, and wipe off any excess. I'm just going to hang this piece from the tall mountain peaks from a couple of screws into the wall studs, but you could easily add a couple of D-ring hangers to the back if you prefer as well. After letting this dry for 24 hours, I then went over the whole project with 2 light coats of polyurethane. I'm super happy how this project turned out and excited to do it again. Make sure to check the description for links to the tools and plans for this project. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you again soon.